In this recording, you will learn about Field Service QC and its workflow in the Quality Management Suite. Field Service QC. eWorkplace App's QMS integrates with Acumatica's Field Service, enabling users to perform quality control tests and checklists at the start and completion of appointments. The user can perform Field Service QC for the equipment, components, stock, and non-stock items. Why Field Service QC? To ensure technicians perform the right operations at the client's location, meeting the quality needs. Ensure the completion of the assigned QC tests and checklists by the technician in real time in the field. Track checklist and quality control test records digitally to ensure proper documentation. Let's look into the product. We'll open the Service QC planning screen. On this screen, we will associate a quality control plan and checklist on the service item for which the technician will have to provide a field service. We will select an item type equipment. Users can select components, stock items, and non-stock items. We will now select an equipment ID for which the technician is required to provide service. Let's say we must provide field service for an AC 500 ton. We will now add a quality control plan. The below grid shows the quality control (QC) tests associated with the QC plan we just added. These QC tests need to be performed by a technician at the client's location. Going to the Checklist Group tab, we will add a checklist ID. Here, we see the checklist IDs associated with the checklist group. By opening the checklist ID, we see the list of checklists. These checklists must be performed and marked as complete by a technician at the client's location. We will now see the QC flow. We will go to the Acumatica's Appointments screen. We will create a new appointment. Select a customer associated with the service order. We will select the line item type as service. And the air conditioner service as the inventory ID, an identifier of the service. We will now select the target equipment ID. It is the equipment ID we selected on the Service QC planning screen to associate the QC plan and checklist. Target equipment is that the company services, either at the customer's site or internally. The QC required checkbox denotes that quality control is required before completing the appointment. This ensures that the necessary QC tests and checklists are completed before the service is considered finished. We will assign the staff. Start the appointment. After starting the appointment, the QC order number and the checklist order will be generated for the technician in the field. Now, the technician can perform these tests and complete the checklist while providing service in the field to ensure the service is delivered accurately. We will open the QC order and enter the test results for voltage check, current check, CFM, and RPM test. Evaluate and post the results. We see the QC order status has been changed to posted. Going back to the appointment screen, we will click on Complete the appointment. The system will not let the user proceed further due to the checklists that are remaining to be marked as complete. Now, we will open the checklist order. We see two checklists here. The field technician will ensure the items in this list are implemented and mark them as complete. We will now mark the other checklist as complete. After performing the quality control checks and completing the checklist, we will go back to the appointment screen and complete the appointment. The appointment associated with the service order is now completed. This process ensures that quality service is delivered by a company, providing all the tasks are performed accurately at the client's location and maintaining quality standards. We will open the Service QC order screen. Here, we can view the list of all the Service QC orders. Let's look into Field Service QC reports and analytics. Now, we will see the report, Service QC COA, Certificate of Analysis. We will select the item type, Equipment ID, and QC Order Number ID. Click on the Run Report. We can view all the QC details related to the specific item and its QC order in this report. We will go to the Service QC dashboard. It provides insights into open, in-progress Service QC and checklist orders. In this recording, you gain insights into the eWorkplace app's Field Service QC workflow within the Quality Management Suite for Acumatica. Thank you.